Hello class, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the percentile corresponding to a certain data value in a data set. This is question number 12 in section 2.3 about the percentile. So we got lucky this time. The data set is already sorted. It is in the ascending order. As you can see, the smallest number is 0.23. And the value of the number is getting bigger. The maximum is 1.52. So this time we do not have to sort the data set. That's very good. The sample size is 50. There are 50 values in the data set. And then the number we are interested in is 0.64. We are looking for the percentile for that specific value, 0.64. I had it in pink here, all right? So how do we find the percentile? We count how many values is smaller, how many values are smaller than 0.64. In this data set, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 values that are smaller than 0.64. And then we are going to use the number of values that are smaller than our data item by the sample size. So we use 6 to divide by 50 and then multiply by 100. Okay, then we got 12. So the percentile corresponding to 0.64 is 12. The 12th percentile. How do we understand the concept of percentile? If you have a data set, all right, you put them on the real number line. You have a data set, and those values are in the data set. If you cut those or divide those values into 100 groups, 100 groups, instead of dividing them into 4 groups to find the 3 quartiles, we divide them into 100 equal or approximately equal groups. And so we have 100 sections, right? And 0.64 is in the 12th percentile. 12th percentile. That means they are around 12% of values are smaller than 0.64. There are 88% values in the data set that are bigger than 0.64. Percentile is also an important way to see the relative standing of a value in a data set. Now we found the percentile for 0.64, which is the 12th percentile. The 12th percentile, then we know is the value stands like close to the bottom, right? Around it's only bigger than 12% of the values, and smaller than around 88% of the values in the data set. So that's how do we find the percentile for a specific value in a given data set. Just use the number of values that are less than the value divided by the sample size and then multiply by 100.